Welcome to the historic Alfred DuPont building. It's absolutely one of the stunning jewels of Miami for events and one of our favorite places to work. Today, we're doing an event for Hadassah to raise funds for hospitals in Israel. We started planning it a while back, and then things started happening around Israel. So the tone of the event changed and we adapted. In this case, we were very fortunate to have the space the night before so that we can test all the lighting that you're going to see a little bit later. The colors are blue and gold, just like their logo and their branding. And the flowers we did in white in hopes of peace, to bring peace to the venue and to everyone here. Every single centerpiece and everything that we did is around light and candles. There's a beautiful memorial with hundreds of lights signifying the souls that were unfortunately lost, but the hope of what peace will bring to Israel once this is all over. And that's what this gala is about: saving lives, keeping the hospitals open and running, and making Israel amazing again.
From the memorial table at the entrance of this event to the empty table set here in the center of the room to pay tribute to the hostages still in captivity. We pray for their safe return every single day. Tonight is also a night where we are proud to honor Hadassah Medical Organization, a beacon of hope and peace to so many in Israel and all around the world.